Okay, I'm here sa Santolan MRT station. Tama ko si Aaron. Sa tayo ba? We're going to the Klook Creator Awards 2024. May babaan ba yan? Babaan pala to. So, ito na. Ngayon ulit ako nakababa ng Santolan MRT. Diyan ako nakatira dati nung college days ko. It was great to be back here at Santolan na to. Ito ako sumasakay nung college every morning going to FEU. Okay, so ito na, maglalakad na kami. Pumunta sa Glass Garden. Tama ba? Glass Garden or Garden Cafe, or yun yung venue ng Klook Creator Awards. So let's go there. So ayan, naglalakad tayo sa ilalim ng footbridge. Ayan, kasi yung footbridge pala walang bubong eh. So sa baba kami dumadaan para may bubong, just in case na umulan. Ay, may mga maraming fishballs dito. So this is also a vlog test using the Realme 13 Pro Plus 5G. So makikita rin yung vlogging niya sa gabi tsaka pag 7. Sabi kasi nila itong Realme 13 Pro Plus, it's the DSLR packet daw. So tignan natin mamaya sa mga photos, coverage natin. Pero sa low light mukhang okay din siya. Kaya niya. Kaya sa low light. 1080p 30 fps. Okay, we are now here sa may Santolan sa Evangelista Street. Dati wala pa tong takip dito. At yung sakay ng tricycle, dyan ako sumasakay papunta sa bahay namin. So maglalakad lang kami ni Aaron. Naalala ko ata dati, kaya tinamaan ng kidlat yung tricycle na sinasakyan ko. Dito yun eh, alala ko yun eh. Ito na yata. Malayo-layo rin pala. Alaw, lalakarin lang natin. Paano ba yun? Here we go! Glass Garden. Kita ba yan? Hindi kita. Hindi kita. Kasi exposure level na to. Ano ba itong telepono na to? Ayan. Hindi kita yung Glass Garden. Okay, let's go! Let's go! Tara. Glass Garden. I'm back. Parang sa talambuhay ko, pangalong beses pala ako nakapunta rito. Hehehe. So, saan tayo papasok? Iba-ibang venue. Parang ibang event yata to. Ay, Klook. Here we go. This is the event of the year ni Klook. And check it out, y'all. Alright. That's nakapang Royal Palmway attire. Ito ating get up from Uniqlo, 290 pesos sale lang. Inuman na. Ito si Professor Nubo Guide. Ayan. Okay, check natin mga inuman dito. Okay. Tanqueray, Johnny Walker, Black Label. Mukhang may uuwi ng naka-wheelchair mamaya. Sige. Okay, pwesto na tayo. It's a Wanderlust giveaway. What's this? Follow and make sure. Okay. Mga giveaway nilang mga luggage. Wow. Ganda ng bag oh. Hello Lulu. Ito maganda oh. Klook Gcash pala to. Yes, we love Gcash. Kaya sali kami dyan. Tara, let's go. Tagal, kaway na sa akin. Ang tagal mo. So, ito na yung mga lounge ng mga tito.
Lagpas sa age limit.
Oo, tayo dito. Dito kami dito. The buffet is now open, so let's check it out, yo. Para ako lang ata yung nagbablog dito. Let's check it out, yo. So, we're doing some Klook tutorial here. Usapang paano kumita sa Klook. So, ayan, nabit ko yung mga top Klook earners. Thank you sa tips.
Destinations like Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore, Thailand, Korea, the US, and beyond. Thanks to our continuous efforts, especially from our creator, Lee Maki, and also Yunar
Maki!
Providing sponsorship trips, opportunities for you to create impactful content.
Carol Tanqueray. So this is our first game, a Tanqueray trivia game, and it's just a simple trivia quiz. I have some questions up on the board with multiple choices. And handle.
D, 47.3.
Bakit 47.3?
Natugal namin.
Ay, ang magaling. Actually, yun nga eh, bilis lang. Who they think best represents this category. These awards are a true testament to creativity, innovation, as well as inspiration.
And I think the Travel Luminary Award, I think it's all for us all, the creators here as well. Because kahit pa paano, diba, we support each other's content. Whenever we see each other's content, we hit the like button, we save it, and we learn from each other.
Travel Creator nominee awardee is
Jen Baraka!
As what Jax mentioned earlier, sa lahat ng mga followers niyo din, as in, maraming salamat. And also to my fiancé. Kasi, I wouldn't be able to create good travel content kung hindi kasama. I wouldn't be able to provide good photos or videos kung
being inspired to create content. Huwag natin gawin lahat just for the money. Just enjoy what you're doing. And then gagawin yung time. Wow! Ito to, patuloy ako ng
winners. Take a photo all together for first batch of awards from Travel Club. Award our second batch of winners of the Travel Club Awards.
We also have Ivan de Guzman. We also have Rosie Domingo. And of course, the poor traveler, Josh Bivins. Congratulations!
For the G Cash and Club Card is Karen and Deacon. Congratulations, please come on.
Hindi mo secret award lang yan, di ba?
Congratulations, so you have a photo. You won 10,000 pesos in G Cash, and congratulations for being the one chosen for G Cash and Club Meron G Cash. Justine C! Ay, bagay na bagay itong sash sa'yo. Please wear a wonderful sash. Our male best dress we have Archie Wanda. Congratulations, Archie. Congratulations, Archie. Your OOTDs on your travel soon. Thank you so much.
The Brook Trendsetter Award goes to Archie Larga.
Alam ng nanay ko, magbakasyon ako sa bayan, ang dami kong award. But anyway, ano na pinapanalunan ko? Ay, Trendsetter Award! Nagkabakit kanina yung Vietnam. So, alam nyo, actually, let me explain. So, yung idea for that video, na ang inspiration ko talaga was si Miss Jen Barangan. Where is she? Jen, ako si Jen. Dahil sa'yo, kaya talaga na kayo na-idea na pumunta ng Sapa. And yun, kung magpaplano kayo na pumunta sa Southern Asia, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-Vietnam, magpunta kayo ng Hanoi, then mag-side trip kayo sa Sapa, like 2 nights. Sobrang ganda, tapos magpapakit kayo ng Pansipan. Mongshi, sobrang ganda. And sobrang mura na.
The Top Activities Creator Award goes to Mimi Miyako.
Medyo mag-pretend talaga nagulat ako. Quick story time. Yes, story time. I used to work with the clown team talaga, like, sa ahensya life ko. And, inayad ako kanila na, tinamag-slide
Creator Award goes to Ivan de Guzman. Goes to Main Biernas. Thank you, Chloe, for this award. Nanginginig po ako sobra. I can't believe this. Thank you, Lord. Story lang konti. I started with Chloe in the middle of our construction sa bahay namin. We were building our own house, our dream house ng husband ko. And in the middle of the construction, we stopped for 9 months. And It was Flo who gave way for me to earn more so I can finish the house. And right now, I've been living there for 3 months. So I really am grateful to Flo. I always say to Kian and Miss Patty, I'm grateful to Flo because it opened a lot of opportunities. So it's more emotional ko talaga. Hindi ako makapaniwala. But I just want to thank everyone for the support, for being so nice. Kayo mga ina-idol ko na pinapanood ko lagi. For being so nice because you make this kind of work easier even if it's not. So I'm grateful to all of you. And thank you, Flo, for this award. And thank you, Lord. To God be all the glory.
Creator Award goes to JM Baticho.
Thank you kay Luke, thank you kay Kian, kay Maki, and to all the creators dito sa Club. Maraming salamat kasi pinagbubutihan ng paggawa ng contents. And ito award na to, bonus na lang to sa atin eh. Just being part of the creator community, malaking bagay na para sa ating lahat. So, nasasabi ko lang tuloy-tuloy lang sa paggawa ng contents. And let's support each other. Thank you, Lord.
Congratulations. Award goes to Chuck and Joe.
Kami po kasi, nag-start po kami sa Instagram noon. So, puro lang kami static photo and naging daan po ang Instagram, ang Club para po maging may labas po namin yung aming creativity sa videos. So, maraming salamat po, Club. To everyone, hindi po kayo isa-isahin. Kilala nyo naman kung sino kayo. This award is also dedicated po sa lahat ng mga supporters namin actually. Kasi sila po yung nag-motivate sa amin. Every time po na may lumalapit po sa amin na Chuck and Joe, salamat po sa mga travel tips po. Yun po yung nakakawala ng pagod namin. So, thank you so much, Flo. Thank you, Flo.
Congratulations,
So the Creator of the Year Bronze Award goes to Camille Piano.
Wow, thank you so much for this award. Alam mo na kayo. Pero I think most people don't know me because I'm just a small creator. Pero this award is also for those small creators like me.
Si Club, kagaya ng pinost ko sa isang post namin, talagang ito yung most rewarding time of our lives. Yung naging Club creator kami. Kasi we should have been into another place. So long story ko, pero I think Club saved us. Para dito talaga kami sa chapter na to. And para ito sa lahat ng mga creators, okay mo naman ang pag-asa!
Goes to Jax Reyes.
Oh my God, the pressure, ang lola nyo. I think, thank you so much. Number one, I think it's taking a clock talaga, like what I said kanina. I really believe that it's easier to travel because of clock, and the right of everybody is to travel. And you have to make it very budget friendly. And I believe Cloak has one of the best platforms out there. Secondly, syempre, this award I think is not just for me, it's for everyone here. Kasi alam ko, everyday tayo kumakayo, gumagawa ng content. But one thing that I always want to remind each and everyone is we create content because we want to create value for each and everyone who watches it. Alam ko, we want the commission, it's always there, di ba? That's why we create content. But always remember that we should not be blinded by the commissions that we earn. Always be truthful, always be authentic on how you create your content. We all started small. Imagine that I was never someone who wanted or who believed that I can create content. I was a lonely corporate slave for the longest time. But once you create that valuable content and then you realize yung followers natin, and you create value and you bring value to them, slowly it will come. The money will come if you do what you love. And that's why we love to travel. Bonus lang talaga yung mga commissions na kayo. Kaya, what? Kaya let's keep creating content. Let's make the world a smaller place. And let's make sure that we democratize traveling because everybody in the world deserves to travel wisely. Diba? Yun na. Thank you so much. Para sa atin pala. Thank you, Chloe. Thank you to everyone.
Congratulations!
Thank you also. Biggest props to Kian for being my greatest girl. I wouldn't be able to achieve anything in the creator program, to grow the creator program without her help. From 300 just last year, we started with literally 20 creators when I entered the club, and we're now with 3,000 strong. And thank you guys for the patience, understanding. We will continue to improve and provide you guys all the tools and everything that you need to succeed in the creator program. Big or small, believe it or not, we look after all of you and we do our best to support everyone. Cheers!
That's the end of the Clue Creator Awards. So, next time, kami na ni Aaron na akit sa stage. Pero kung kahit wag na. Basta't importante may commissions. Okay na kami doon. So, yun ang aming goal. Kaya kami nandito para ma-inspired kami gumawa ng Clue content for travel. Alright, so mag-picture muna kami. Wala, di kami nanalo sa contest. Pero okay, masaya. It's great to see all the travel content creators dito sa Clue Creator Award. Tama ko sa vlog, ayan. Video, 1, 2, 3. Itong corner pala pwede na no? Kaysa doon sa loob